Everyone thought Max was safe. But something inside him had changed. His heartbeat was faster. His eyes glowed green. Max discovered he wasn't in a hospital, he was trapped in a secret lab. They weren't curing him, they were experimenting on him. The nurse who cared for him was a robot spy. She was working for someone who wanted to turn kittens into weapons. Max knew he had to escape before they turned him into a mind-controlled super soldier. He slipped through vents, dodged lasers, and crawled toward freedom. Just as he was cornered by guards, his powers awakened. The parasite didn't kill him. It upgraded him. He escaped. But the lab was just one part of a bigger plan. Max made a promise. No more innocent kittens would suffer like he did. Who created Formula X? Why are kittens being targeted? Max is about to uncover a secret bigger than he ever imagined.